Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX TechChat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. Today, well, we are in the Tech Lab. Why are we in the Tech Lab? Well, if you look back at a lot of our older videos, you're going to see we spend a lot of time talking about how to maintain your tool holders or how to clean them. But we don't spend a lot of time talking about your CNC machine, how to check it, and things we might offer to help you keep it clean and do that check. The REGO-FIX Metrology line offers several ways for you to maintain your machine, from cleaning it to measuring it. So let's spend a few moments and go through each one of these items and how they might help you with your machine. Just like the tool holders that you put into your CNC machine, the machines themselves are made to hold very tight accuracies. The only way they can do that is if they are cleaned and maintained on a proper schedule. And you'll find that schedule in your CNC manual. But what do we have that will help you just a little bit to make sure you get the most out of that machine? Well, the easiest place to start is cleanliness. What can I do to make sure my spindle is clean and I'm getting the best contact that I can possibly receive? Easy answer for that is the REGO-FIX new steep taper or spindle taper cleaners. Now, these are made with little leatherette inserts that are made to wipe the inside of the spindle and remove grease, debris, and any chips that might be stuck inside. So look for the link down below to see what the offerings are for our spindle taper cleaners. Once you've handled the cleaning of your spindle, it's time to make sure that the spindle accuracy is where it's supposed to be. Everybody knows that accidents happen in the CNC shop, and sometimes you need to make sure your spindle hasn't been damaged. Well, that's where the master bars come in. These allow you to measure the TIR over the length of that bar in your spindle, so you can make sure that your accuracies are held properly and your machine is giving you good TIR. So how do I measure that master bar once it's in my spindle? Well, that's where a couple new products from REGO-FIX are here to help. We have the new magnetic base articulated arm, and we have the new 2-micron indicator that are made to work together so that you can measure that master bar and make sure you are getting the most accuracy out of your machine. Don't forget the importance of making sure your CNC machine spindle is taken care of, that it's cleaned, and you properly measure it on a regular basis to make sure that you are getting the most performance or the best performance you can out of that spindle. If you have any questions about the spindle cleaners or the articulated arm, the indicator, or the master bars, please reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. We are glad to help.